Hi everyone, it's Chappie's Crypto here again with another quick video on Tradovate, which is a futures trading platform that's available for both Mac, PC, and a web interface, or web. It's got a web app. So I'm currently on the Macintosh application. However, the interface once you've logged in is exactly the same across all three platforms. I also have a mobile platform as well called Pulse, which is on iOS or Android. Personally, I've only been paper trading futures for the last week or two. I've just discovered Tradovate a few weeks ago. Great platform so far. Pretty impressed with it after I've worked out from some of the little frustrations I had initially. However, this is just a little quick video on how to show you how to use a demo account and adjust the balances. So I'm just logging in at the moment. I'm going to come into the simulation environment. When you sign up for Tradovate initially, you get a 2-week trial. So the 2-week trial gives you access to the entire platform. So I'm going to come into here. I've gone past my 2-week trial, and once you've funded your account, you continue to get access to the demo account. So you can continue paper trading once you've funded your account. So within the whole theory being is that within the first 2 weeks, you'll make a decision if you like the platform, and hopefully you'll go off and fund the account if you decide to stay with Tradovate. I didn't actually fund it quickly enough, so I ended up actually paying for the demo account for a little while. However, I've now funded my account, so this will continue to be part of my account going forward. So I'll come into trade your demo account. Now, one thing I found, which was took me a little bit to wrap my head around. It's a pretty simple little thing, but I just thought I'd show you people that are new to this platform a little trick of the trade. Up the top here, when you set up Tradovate for the first time, it automatically sets you up with an account balance of $50,000, and just up here. Now, I've got my equity at the moment down to 945, because what I'm currently doing is that when I start my paper trading session, I like to set my balance of my account as $1,000. So how do you change your account balance for your demo account? It's pretty straightforward. It just takes a little bit to wrap your head around one little feature which I want to show you. If you come into the settings at the top right hand corner of the screen, which is these 3 sliders and the application settings, if you click on that, it'll come into here and you'll see a whole bunch of detail about your account. I've got my account that's funded, that shows my current balance of my real account or my live account, and then your demo account. So to modify your demo account balance, it's just this option here. Pretty straightforward. Click on that. Now this part here it's really obvious, and I can't believe it took me a little bit to wrap my head around it. However, when you start, it gives you an account balance of $50,000. So that's ridiculous for me, because I'm never going to start with a trading balance of that much, but you might be lucky enough to start with an account of that size. But because I wanted to try and replicate as close to real life for me, I wanted to have my account balance to be $1,000. So I come into here, and if you start off with $50,000, all you need to do is you just go minus 49,000, and that's all it takes. Press submit. It allows you to change your balance once a day, as far as I understand, and then it will give you an account balance of 1,000 in your paper trading account. Now, if I'm going to trade this, so I'll look to start trading this again on Monday night Australian time to replicate to match up the US market open. So right now my account balance is currently $945.98. So what I want to do is I want to modify that account balance, because I'd like the balance to be back up to 1,000. So all I need to do is work out the difference between $1,000 and $945.98, which means I need to increase the balance by $54. So I'll show you what I'm going to do here. Modify the account. I'd like to modify the balance by 54.02. Press submit. Done. Request successful. Now my demo account balance is $1,000. Good to go. Fantastic news. Close that screen. Now you'll see my equity up the top is $1,000. There you go. A really quick little tool. I hope you found that useful. It's one of those little things I didn't understand why my account wasn't going down or up, and the reverse is the case as well. If your account's up to say $1,100, you wanted to reverse it, you just go in there, modify the account minus 100, and you get the balance whatever you want it to be. I hope you found that useful. Until next time, this is Chappie's Crypto. That's all I've got to say for now. Bye for now.